Dogecoin, Doge, fundamentally is a mineable coin that most certainly is presently exchanged at $0.080079 per unit, with the market capitalization of $11,422.081334, that most certainly makes it a mid-position digital currency in a kind of large manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin especially have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for reasonably retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for certainly enormous institutional financial backers who fundamentally see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a really successful basically fence against expansion that takes a weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which especially is genuinely critical. In this way, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto really is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any merchant and financial backer who for the most part needs to by and large develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which sort of is genuinely critical. Yet, with it comes the need to intently really follow the improvements on the expressed market to understand the kind of current circumstance and in a real sense, have some feeling representing things to come in an unobtrusive manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model certainly was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, generally track down the in every way that really matters, best coins or tokens to in a real sense put resources into, and in every way that really matters, keep the value been developing. However, prior to digging into the inside and out Dogecoin investigation and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the really fundamental standards of cryptographic money exchanging and venture. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its genuinely current standings, as well as the mid-term and really long-haul cost expectation that in every practical sense depends on the readings of our for the most part restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in a sort of significant way. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin generally remains at $0.080079, and this kind of specific computerized resource explicitly stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. For reasonably your data, the actual positioning of each and every digital money is vigorously dependent on its genuinely current market capitalization and cost, and explicitly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, or so they thought. Likewise, to get a kind of better really handle of the market circumstance and for the most part grasp the by and large broad bearing of the pattern, or to in every practical sense, register its non-attendance, it's likewise essential to all things considered, examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on January 12, the cost of Dogecoin especially remained at $0.084624 at the end of the especially day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 5.17% contrast when contrasted with the in every way that really matters current cost. 7 days prior, on January 6, the Dogecoin market commonly remained at $0.082734 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Which truly is genuinely critical. As the outcome, the cost in a real sense moved by 0% corresponding to its by and large present standing. A month prior, on December 13, Dogecoin was evaluated at $0.096428, which explicitly harmonized with our cost expectation for that especially specific period, which certainly is genuinely critical. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 16.95% cost move. At the point when it truly comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves essentially more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Or so they fundamentally thought. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market capitalization as a critical marker to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which generally is genuinely huge. It in a real sense is determined by duplicating the by and large complete number of coins that sort of are right now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the kind of current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now especially remains at $0.080079 in a significant manner. Considering that recipe, we especially have determined the especially current market capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $11,422.081334. Which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those extremely present on the cryptographic money market, which for the most part is very huge. Yesterday, on January 12, the market capitalization of Dogecoin really remained at $12,068,622,320. Keep going week. On January 6, the truly aggregate sum of truly capital gave to Dogecoin explicitly was laid out at $11,792,259,707. The information from a month prior, enrolled on December 13, generally shows that Dogecoin in a real sense had a market capitalization of $13,714,167,230 win. So contrasted with the very present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 16.95% cost move, which is genuinely huge. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and sort of are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders, certainly chilly wallets, which essentially is very critical. The for the most part complete stock likewise considers any coins that fundamentally have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate incredibly. It can truly measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that truly is public on the financial exchange, showing how it especially is determined by duplicating the extremely complete number of coins that generally are as of now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the essentially current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now remains at $0.080079 in a kind of enormous manner. The for the most part complete stock of Dogecoin right now by and large stands at 142,634 446,384 Doge in a quite huge manner. As currently made sense of, the circling supply basically is the most ordinarily involved commonly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which really shows that yesterday, on January 12, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense remained at $0.084624 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 5.17% distinction when contrasted with the sort of current cost 7 days prior. On January 6, the Dogecoin market remained at $0.082734 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an unobtrusive manner. It compares with the best estimate of the really and general number of coins that generally are public on digital money trades and most certainly add to their liquidity, which most certainly is very critical. Their volume doesn't generally incorporate the coins that in a real sense are vested, marked in truly shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use, which really is very huge. The coursing supply generally is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange, which is genuinely huge. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin for the most part is assessed at 142,634 446,384 Doge in a significant manner. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market added up to $568,504,292. Certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on January 12, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting especially added up to $700.